Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to share a tip with you based on my personal experience that you can use to avoid the delay in getting your GCMS or CAIPS notes. Before I proceed further, I would like to clarify that neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am government body. So whatever I tell in this video has no legal validity, and if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys. So guys, like people learn from experience. Even I have learned from experience, and that's what I'm gonna share with you. It may help. Consider it personal advice. So guys, this goes back to my spouse sponsorship application years ago. So for the very first time when I had applied for GCMS notes, after my application, around 2 or 3 weeks later, I got an email. It was much before the end of 30 days duration, processing duration, whatever you say, where they attached the consent link to the consent form, and they said that because I have opted to get details of the sponsored person, I am in the principal applicant in the notes, I gotta provide this consent form too. So then this form was filled up and was sent back to IRCC, and then after a few weeks I got the notes. So this is a particular step. I know many people, especially those who would be applying it for the very first time, could be missing. So this is just an example in spouse sponsorship, but it can happen in other kinds of applications too. So if it happens, like this is unnecessarily gonna delay uh, the processing time of your GCMS or CAPS notes previously, whatever you say. So make sure, like if you're including other person details, like make sure you include a consent form. So this really helps. At least it has helped me in my situation. Like after that, when I applied for GCMS again, for the same application, I was always attaching this consent form, and I kept on getting on time. So this is how it works guys. Thanks for watching.